Hello children, how are you guys? You're all fine and safe, I hope. Okay children, see here, in the last class we have started up to study about the journey by the terrestrial animals. Okay, and in this class we are going to have a look on some aquatic habitats. Okay, how the animals and plants will be in the water body. Okay, that is aquatic system we are going to read. Okay, see, already we know that we have compared the land animal and the water animal. You remember quite in the previous video we have compared it. Okay, and we studied how the body of the land animal and the water animal will be. Okay, and you have studied something called as a streamlined body, which is seen in the water animal, that is fish. Okay, and children, they have a special capacity even if they get submerged in water. Means even if they go deep inside the water, they can breathe in the oxygen which is dissolved in the oxygen and dissolved in the water, and they can survive. Okay, they have such a long life that they can breathe the water which is dissolved in the water. Okay, oxygen which is dissolved in the water. Okay, and one more thing children, see here, it is not necessary they should have the streamlined body. Okay, in the case of streamlined body animals, they have gills which helps them in what to tell respiration. Okay, and they have the nostril or the blowholes. The other name for nostril is blowholes, which is present on the upper side of their head, which help them to breathe. Okay, when they are on the surface of the water. Okay, and even when they go deep inside the water, they can live without even breathing. Okay, they come out, often they keep, they open their nostril, they breathe in the air, and they get back inside the water. Okay, and if you check the animals like animals like ostrich, animals like octopus, okay, and some of sea animals like squid and all, they may not have the streamlined body. Okay, even then they don't have the streamlined body. Those animals have the capacity to breathe the oxygen which is present in the water. Okay, so very simple children. If you take the animals which lives in water, they breathe the oxygen which is dissolved in the water. Okay, and if they have the external nostril, they come out to the surface of the water. They take in the oxygen and then they go in. Okay, and even if they are inside the water, they can hold their breath. Okay, this is what is about the aquatic animal which lives in the ocean, sea and all. Okay, now let's move on to the animals and plant which live in ponds and lake. Okay, see if if you go near your house, if there is any lake or well, okay, or there is pond, just closely observe, you'll find so many plants living on it. Okay, and children, they have the capacity to withhold the soil which is down deep down in the water, and they get attached to the soil and they keep growing. Okay, and the leaves will be on the surface of the water and the root will be seen submerged inside the water. Okay, and also children, see this aquatic plants, no, which lives in water, they have a ribbon-like leaves. Okay, the plants may be narrow and they have ribbon-like leaves. Okay, even there is photosynthesis possible in them. Okay, and what means why they have ribbon-like leaf and very tender stem means they can bend when on the flow of water. Okay, if you see the aquarium which is there in your house itself, you'll be able to find the what to tell, the when the water flows, they bend and again they come back. Okay, this is what is about the aquatic uh, plants. Okay, and they have chlorophyll, and they have the, the oily secretion of the on the leaf surface, so that the water will not disturb the growth of the plant. Okay, and now we are going to see about the animals in the pond and lake. Usually, which are the animals will be seen in pond and lake means you'll be able to find frog living in the pond. Okay, and these frog and all, they have a dual character. Dual characters means two characters. Even if they live in the water, they can survive by breathing the air which is dissolved in the water. And also when they are on this land, what happen? They can breathe through their lungs. Okay, they have dual character, because of which we call them as amphibian, since they breathe even inside the water and outside the water. Okay, and children, even if you want to prepare the herbarium of the aquatic plant, it will be good enough, because you'll understand the character which is there in the plant, which lives in the water. Is that clear, children? Okay.